what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids, and in today's video let's talk about the new Samsung Galaxy A50s. It was launched in India by Samsung recently and it retails for 23,000 rupees for its base variant, and it is the successor to the very successful Galaxy A50 from last year, and we'll unbox it in this new Prism Crush black color and let's talk about it. Is it worth the price? Should you buy it? What are its pros and cons? Everything in this video. So lifting that lid up, first things first is the Galaxy A50s itself in this new Prism Crush black color. Taking the plastic off, you can see its beautiful design and that diamond cut, prism pattern at the back. Many companies are, doing this, and Samsung has their unique approach to it as well. Different kind of colors and patterns form when you see the phone in different angles. Let's boot it up and set it to the side and take a look at the other accessories. That is the earphones, a pair of basic set earphones that are included by Samsung. Not many companies do, so again, appreciate Samsung for doing this. They sound decent, nothing great, but yeah, again, they're free, so they're appreciated. Next up, you have USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and all the accessories, because of the black color, are color matched, so all the accessories are also black in color. And this is USB Type-C to Type-A cable for charging and data syncing, and again, it's good to see Samsung moving to USB Type-C for most of their devices nowadays. And you have a 15-watt fast charging adapter as well, so again, fast charging is there, so you're getting basic essentials in this phone for that price. And yeah, it is a mid-range flagship, so that's that. Now moving on to this other packet that contains your case and your reading material. You have your regional lock guide, your safety and warranty information, as well as your quick start guide. This is all boring stuff, so you can read it if you want to. Next up, you have this free silicone case. That is nothing great, it'll give you some extra grip and protection, but you should definitely get a better case and a tempered glass screen protector as you start using the phone. And this is how it looks. And that's about it for the unboxing experience. Now let's talk about the Galaxy A50s itself. Alright, so starting off with the display on the front, it's a 6.4 inch 1080 x 2340 pixel resolution display. It's a Super AMOLED panel with a 403 ppi and a water droplet or infinity V display notch. That's what Samsung calls it, and that gives you a 85.42% screen to body ratio. And take it for what it is, it's a really good Samsung panel. It's a Super AMOLED panel which gets plenty bright. It's very sharp, colors are very accurate, as well as it's punchy, so deep blacks and stuff. Watching videos, playing games is a really good experience on the display, and just consumption of content feels good. So if you're wanting a good display in this price bracket, this is your best bet. Alright, so now talking about the hardware on this phone, we have the Samsung Exynos 7 9611 CPU coupled with the Mali G72 MP3 GPU, 4 or 6 GB of RAM, 64 128 GB of storage. It is expandable via micro SD and a 4000 mAh giant battery, which also supports USB Type-C fast charging, that is 15-watt fast charging, and the brick is included. Plus, you have an in-display fingerprint scanner in this phone that is improved from last year. So the A50s in-display fingerprint scanner was not that really good, it was inaccurate and slow at all times, but they have done some software magic and improved it this year, so it feels a little better. Not top notch, but still a little better than what it was last year. So those are the specifications, and in my opinion they're really good for day-to-day usage, just normal stuff. Also, if you want a detailed PUBG gameplay test on the Galaxy A50s, my friend just dropped a video on his channel as well, so I'll leave it linked down below as well as towards the end of the video, so go check it out and you'll know how does the PUBG gameplay happen on the A50s. But other than that, performance from last year has improved compared to the A50, ever so slightly, but there is an improvement and the benchmarks does show that. Now talking about the software experience on the Galaxy A50s, it is One UI 9.5 on top of Android 9.0 Pie, and yeah, you will get update to Android Q, I hope so. And the performance was good, it was snappy, it didn't really lag or stutter or anything, but just usual Samsung software, it feels slow, but other than that, opening apps, multitasking, switching through apps just felt fast, and you can do normal day-to-day tasks and rely on this phone, and it wouldn't really disappoint you in that regard. And other than that, there is some bloatware on the software, but you have some extra features as well. But other than that, software is decent. If you don't like it, you could put up a Nova launcher or something like that, and that should help you out. Alright, so now talking about the cameras on the A50s, you have a triple camera setup on the back, which is comprising of 48 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And you also have a 32 megapixel front camera. There is EIS, so electronic image stabilization, and it works really good, for the most part. If you're taking shaky video while walking, running, or something like that, if your hands shake a lot, you will get a decent quality video which is stable enough to use. And it does not record in 4K or anything, nothing, but yeah, 1080p max, that's all you get. There is slow motion and stuff, and also the usual camera features, so portrait mode, live focus, you know, AR emojis, and the pro mode is also here. And you know, shots turn out really good in, you know, good daylight. Also indoor shots are pretty decent, but low light performance wasn't the great as usual. You do get grain and stuff. Front facing 32 megapixel selfie camera also gives you really good selfies if you have good lighting. Other than that, like, I have no complaints on the camera, and there is an improvement from the previous generation, that is the previous Galaxy A50. So I'm happy, and yeah, that's that for the camera, and I'll leave, you know, some camera samples down below so you can judge for yourself. The design and build quality of the Galaxy A50s, it is made out of plastic, and you have this new design. As I said, there is 4 colors. They're calling it Prism Crush, so you have a white, a green, a black, as well as a, you know, violet color, and you have this diamond cut kind of design on the back, which is reflecting light, as well as, you know, different patterns being formed. So it's a unique kind of design. Let me know if you guys like it, but I definitely like it. You know, it's a new kind of design from Samsung. And yeah, build quality is decent. Like, the phone feels sturdy, you know, doesn't feel cheap or anything. Feels good in the hand as well as to hold. And doing like a quick 1-over with the phone, you have the Bixby button and the power button. Like, you can't hold the power button to turn off anymore. You have to do it using the volume keys and the power button, or swipe down from the notifications and then go to the power menu. I don't know why Samsung is trying so hard to push Bixby. And you also have your volume rockers, and towards the left side of the phone you have your SIM tray as well as your micro SD card. Towards the top you have your microphone, and towards the bottom you have a speaker grill as well as a USB Type-C port and a headphone jack. It's still here, it's not gone yet. And the speakers are also like pretty decent. You can like muffle or just cover them with your finger while you're gaming or something. But yeah, they're like pretty decent, nothing great. And for the price of 23,990 for the 464 and 25,000 for 128, it is a really good deal in my opinion. Like, if you want a Samsung phone with a really good display, some decent specs, as well as a decent camera setup, the Galaxy A50s should be a really good choice for you. But if you want like best value for money price to performance, like you want really good specifications, you could look towards something from Xiaomi or Realme or something like that. But yeah, if you want like a brand value kind of experience, and if you like Samsung phones, this is your best bet in terms of value for money. And thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then go ahead and smash the like button, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll be uploading unboxing videos on the Galaxy A30s as well as the A10s, so stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this video and the phone in general. I'll be there replying to you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.